A big hello to all. Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Padma's Universe. My name is Padma, and if you're visiting me for the first time, my channel, please do consider subscribing. It is absolutely free, and please do hit on the notification button, the bell icon. So whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. So this is a very happy vlog. I call this happy because it's all about biryani, and not an ordinary biryani. I would say the world's bestest biryani because my mom is making biryani. She's expecting guests today. My sister-in-law's parents are visiting, so we are preparing, not me, my mom is preparing lunch, and today it's a special menu. It's mutton biryani for lunch, and she's also making chili chicken, her style, which is again a very unique recipe. And what else you have? She's making white rice, rasam, which is mandatory, and some curds, and boiled eggs, then papad. So this is the and for desserts, since they do not eat sweets, but we have some fresh fruits and some ice creams. So that's for the dessert. In fact, this video was shot by my sister-in-law, so I wanted to share this biryani making video with you. Though this is not a recipe video, this is a vlog. I wanted to share it with you, so I requested my sister-in-law if she can do, because she was also helping my mom with the recipe part. So a lot of cutting, chopping goes into this, and the best part is my mom cannot make biryani in small quantities. She makes it in huge quantity whenever. I mean, even if she has to cook for just a family of 4, she makes it in huge quantity because she likes to share. She is pretty famous in my entire family. In fact, when she makes biryani, the entire lane, the place where we stay, the entire gully, it gets aromatic. So that is how it is. So yeah, even it's my holiday today. My kitchen is closed for the day because this is going to be my lunch and dinner. So my mom has a very unique way of making biryani. Unique I say because it's the same ingredient. She doesn't use any fancy different ingredients. It's the very same ingredient which normally goes into the making of any biryani, but then her style is different, her technique is different. In fact, I have grown up eating this biryani, and this biryani has evolved over the years, and I have not tasted a better biryani than this. So she does not like to use pressure cooker. She cannot make biryani. It's not about cannot make. She's not comfortable in making biryani in a pressure cooker. She only uses pressure cooker to pressure cook the mutton. That is, if she's making mutton biryani. If it is chicken, she does not need a pressure cooker at all. Otherwise, she uses the traditional big bartan, big utensil in which she makes her dum biryani. This is my mom's very fragrant homemade fresh biryani masala. She doesn't like to use the ready-made biryani masalas, and also she likes to use the jeera rice, jeeraga samba rice as we call it in Tamil, instead of basmati rice. So I think there is nothing much to talk now, but yes, very soon I do plan to upload a recipe, a proper organized recipe video with measurements and ingredient list and the step-by-step procedure of my mom's style mutton biryani.